Hey, what's up everybody? I finally got around to putting the lift kit on my Jeep. I put on the most unpopular kit that's out. I guess you know what it is. Rough country. This isn't a how-to video because it's pretty simple to do. Just basically unbolt everything, your suspension, your shocks, your springs, your upper and lower control arms, and just bolt on the new parts. You don't need no real professional tools, or with hand tools you can do it. If you have power tools, it just makes it faster, but you can put this kit on with hand tools. The kit came with everything I needed. It came with the extended brake lines, the shocks, the springs, all the bolts, everything. But we'll see in the long run how it goes. Right now, the Jeep is looking kind of funny. I have 33-inch wheels on here, well 33-inch tires. But I'm going to upgrade. I'm probably gonna do 35s. I wouldn't do 37s, but they're kind of heavy, and I don't really do off-roading that much. I mean, I never went off-roading in this so far. I was planning on doing it, but I haven't done it yet. So who knows if I ever get around to do it. But so I didn't need no real specialty kit on this Jeep. If I find myself in the future doing more off-roading, then maybe, if I feel the need to upgrade some of the parts on here, which I really don't think I need to do, but if I feel the need to do it, then I can always do it. But for a vehicle, a street vehicle, I think this kit is perfect. And if you go off-roading every now and then, or it may be good, if you do off-roading a lot, because these parts really seem to be quality. But we'll see. So I don't know if I said it at the beginning of this video, but this is the 4-inch X Series rough country kit that's on this Jeep. And I've done a little over 500 miles since I installed the kit. So they recommend that you retorque all the bolts, and that's what I'm about to do. But otherwise, the kit has been great, and it's something I could recommend.